All paws on deck, Paw Patrols and Ryder. Are you ready to have some fun with Play-Doh? Look at all of these different colors we get to play with. There's so many. Can you help me count how many colors we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 different colored Play-Dohs to play with. Let's get started. This is going to be so much fun. It looks like it's Chase's turn first. Look at this fun Chase cutter we get to play with. Chase's favorite color is royal blue. Here's the light purple rolling pin. Let's start rolling up the Play-Doh. Now let's take our Chase cutter and press it into the dough. Wiggle! Wiggle! Play! Whoa! It's a blue Play-Doh Chase! So neat!
Chase is on the case!
It's Marshall's turn to play with Play-Doh. Marshall's favorite color is red. Let's roll out the Play-Doh. It's time to press our Marshall-shaped cutter into the dough. Look, it's Marshall, made out of red Play-Doh.
I'm fired up!
Up next is Zuma. Can you guess Zuma's favorite color? Zuma's favorite color is orange. Let's get rolling. It's time to take our Zuma-shaped cutter and press it into the dough. Wow, an orange Play-Doh Zuma.
What's that in?
It's Rebel's turn to play with Play-Doh. Rebel's favorite color is yellow. Let's roll out the Play-Doh. Let's press our rebel-shaped cutter into the dough. It's a yellow Play-Doh Rebel. How fun!
Rebel on the double.
Up next is Rocky. Can you guess Rocky's favorite color? Rocky's favorite color is green. It's time to roll out our green Play-Doh. Let's press our Rocky cutter into the dough. I can't wait to see what he looks like. It's a green Play-Doh Rocky.
Green means go. Don't lose it, reuse it.
It's Tracker's turn to play with Play-Doh. Tracker's favorite color is white. Time to roll out the dough. Let's press our tracker cutter into the dough. It's a white Play-Doh tracker. I'm all ears. We have 3 colors left. This time, it's Sky's turn. Can you guess her favorite color? Sky's favorite color is pink. Rolling. Let's press our Sky cutter into the dough. Let's take to the sky. This pup's gotta fly. Whoa, a pink Play-Doh sky.
Let's take to the sky. This pup's gotta fly.
We're down to the final 2. It's time for Everest to have a turn. Everest loves the color purple. Let's roll out the dough. Let's press our Everest cutter into the dough. She looks so fun. Look, it's a purple Play-Doh Everest.
Ice or snow, I'm ready to go.
Last but not least, it's Ryder's turn. Can you guess Ryder's favorite color? Ryder loves the color blue. Let's get rolling. Look at this awesome Paw Patrol logo cutter that we get to use. Let's press it into the dough.
Paw Patrol is on a roll. No job is too big, no puppet's too small.
Thanks for watching and playing with us. See you next time.